Hey, Shed here. So this is another project we just finished in downtown Toronto. So this is a condominium project. It's about 650 square feet condo. What we did here was we fully renovated the whole unit. So starting with the kitchen here, as you can see, so the kitchen is fully revamped. We've installed some new cabinets. So these are quartz countertop with a gray vein, also matching the backsplash, just to give that uniformity and just having it very, very clean. And also everything will be upgraded, including the appliances. We installed some new sinks, some new faucet, dishwasher. All the floors have been fully replaced as well in this kitchen. So this is a living room, living area. It's just a big open space. So what we did here was we used to have a popcorn ceiling on the ceiling. So we scraped it all off. We plastered the ceiling, make it just smooth, painted it white, Oxford white. All the walls are also painted white. The baseboard have been replaced. We put a 7-inch baseboard. These are bevel step baseboard, looking absolutely clean, just to kind of give this place a modern look. In the bedroom, what we did here was same concept, we scraped up the popcorn ceiling, made it smooth, painted it white. All the walls are also painted crispy white. One thing you're gonna notice is the accent wall behind me. So we added a green accent wall just to kind of add some taste to the bedroom. All the baseboard have been replaced as well, the flooring, and then we added pot lights under this bulkhead, and we also added mirror closet sliding doors. So what we did in this bathroom was we kept the existing toilet, the vanity and things like that, but we had to change the work in the shower. So what we did was we removed the old bathtub, we added a freestanding shower. This is a 3-piece shower. We added a double niche in here. So these towels are 12 by 24 towels with a dark gray vein in it. These are like charcoal dark gray, and then the hexagon floor towel on the floor, and then we have the 24 by 24 towel in the main bathroom floors. So everything just tying in with the theme of the bathroom.